some really good interactions, like where you're seeing something on the other, and that's the compelling thing about why you have an external monitor to think about it, because you see that content on that external monitor, you have the main content where it's there, and you're working on your primary display, so you do things like that to increase your productivity. So we think that is compelling in this case, like where you're researching some information and you're annotating some information. So you're working, seeing and doing, or simultaneous productivity. You know, there's many terms for it. But the fact that you have this now also brings some interesting things into the mix, where you can rotate stuff around, and then when you rotate stuff around, you're in some interesting posture where you're in a portrait mode, which is more paper-like for you to create. So, but then if I'm right-handed, I want to be able to manipulate content across the screens like this, for example. So I'm right-handed now, I can do more research and I'm naturally oriented. But if you're left-handed, you can manipulate content back and forth. And last but not least, it's a prototype, so you know, maxing out your stuff. So if you have a large spreadsheet or something, you can scroll to the content. These concepts allow us, you know, to get to like how much closer we need to get this, you know, what's the right size, the balance, the weight, what's the right experience. And of course, for people who have the crutch and use the keyboard, cannot give it up, we came up with some interesting ideas. Whereby you can use this offline or place it on the screen. In this instance here, we have a little trackpad that comes up, so you can manipulate content. You know, the trackpad is more familiar to you, and or a little more extra content here that you can use or maximize that to get to 1.5 screens. So those type of interactions come to the picture. So we show this around and get sync feedback, so see how it might help people. So that's the idea.
And it can be used separately, you said, the keyboard?
Yeah.